back to what I was talking about. Nobody said anything. I shared it with those people that hadn't commented. I'm gonna go check my comments when I get back home. But none of that, oh, you know, that's why you need a wheel. I just scrape people like you up off the concrete. Oh, really? No smoke. For the expedition, I'm showing this one too, that cage rage. Cage rage. Okay, see 6 in the road. I don't like this. Too many cages around me. Too many cages around me. Riding around like they're stupid. Looking really dumb. I feel like they're gonna try to move over. I think they were. Yeah, I think about those new airless. I should have bought stock in that company, man. I just couldn't find. I was a kid when. I don't know if you can see it. I'll probably post a picture up here. But there are tires that have like ribs in them instead of air. They don't have a traditional sidewall. There's ribs in the tire from, you know, side to side, and so it allows the tire never to be deflated. And I've seen it a lot on these little small tractors, these small lawnmowers. Goddamn cage on my ass, thinking I'm not gonna fly around the corner and kill myself, bitch. Looks like I gotta get a mount, a 360 or something, or another mount for my other GoPro. See, I can show y'all what I see in my mirrors. You see these damn cages, man. They're it's nonsense, bro. It's insane how they ride, man. Absolutely insane. Like, they see your bike and act like they can't see there's a car in front of you. I'm like, there's no way you can't see this big ass truck in front of me, literally. A lot of cars up here, so we're not gonna go too crazy. We're not gonna go too crazy, man. Zoom it. I do zoom it. Zoom it. I do zoom it. just hit my knee. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, we're not. I want to do it, but my nerves ain't there. My nerves just ain't quite there. I know you're like, dude, you can go. Nah, I'm not playing like that. It's still pretty cool. I feel like the tires are all warm, but I'm not going to take those type of chances. And I think it's my summer day and I had more, like this truck and the SUV was not in front of me. Yeah, I probably would have did it.